AI is changing the job market faster than ever. Are your skills about to become obsolete or more valuable? Find out what experts say now. According to recent analysis from WOSU Public Media, artificial intelligence is reshaping the workforce with a dual effect. On one hand, AI is automating routine tasks, potentially eliminating some jobs. On the other hand, it's transforming roles by boosting productivity and creating new opportunities. Companies deploying AI tools report faster workflows, but also face tough decisions about workforce restructuring. This means some jobs may completely disappear, while others evolve to require new skills. Data from industry experts reveals that within 5 years, AI-driven automation could impact millions of jobs worldwide. While precise numbers vary, sectors like manufacturing, customer service, and data entry are most vulnerable to job losses. Conversely, tech companies are investing heavily in AI to create roles in AI management, development, and oversight. This split shows the importance of adapting to AI to stay relevant in the job market. Experts highlight that workers in roles heavily based on repetitive or predictable tasks are most at risk. This includes assembly line workers, clerical staff, and some customer service positions. Meanwhile, jobs requiring creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence are less likely to be replaced. This shift demands a focus on retraining for more complex AI-complementary skills. With AI changing job landscapes, experts emphasize the urgency for workers to engage in continuous learning and reskilling. Governments and companies are starting programs to help employees transition into new roles involving AI technology. Staying ahead means embracing education in AI literacy, data analysis, and human-centered skills that machines cannot replicate. Top companies are not just replacing jobs with AI, but also transforming their workforce. Many are investing in training initiatives to help employees work alongside AI tools effectively. This approach aims to maximize AI benefits while minimizing job losses by evolving roles rather than eliminating them outright. AI's impact on jobs is happening now and will only accelerate. Whether your job changes, disappears, or grows depends on how you adapt. Focus on learning new skills and understanding AI to stay ahead. Subscribe for the latest updates and tips on navigating this rapidly evolving job market.